Are you a beginner in marketing? Today, I will show you how to make money in affiliate marketing without websites. But before we start, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel because the next coming videos will completely change your life. There are 3 easy ways you can get into affiliate marketing that don't require a website. Most people have no idea that you can actually make money or start a business on the internet that does not involve having an actual website. This particular form of affiliate marketing doesn't call for having a blog either or any other form of web page creation. Making money in affiliate marketing without website means a great deal less detail and hard work. These 3 methods of affiliate marketing without websites lead to the fastest money. Article marketing, forum posting, pay-per-click. The first 2 ways will cost you nothing to get rolling. Pay-per-click will be an expensive method of affiliate marketing without websites. The best and most productive keywords for the products you want to promote will be extremely competitive. This means they will be expensive and not everyone that clicks on PPC ads like AdSense is a conversion. If you don't have some serious startup cash, this might not be your best choice. Most really successful marketing gurus will tell you that if you are new to affiliate marketing, stay clear of PPC campaigns until you have some cash stockpiled. With some money-making types of products, you can make money in forums. These will be info-products for businesses of all kinds and tools or software the members of different forums will want. Forums for gardening and homemakers might be a good place to promote health and beauty or all household product campaigns. For household and many other types of products, you can join Linkshare, ShareSale, and a commission junction and no cost at all. You might also do well at affiliate marketing without website through Amazon Partners program. Here is one very important phrase to every industry present on the internet: content is king. You see, words are the fuel of the internet and everything that happens online. Content or articles is created using words. Any product or service you want to promote has keywords or keyword phrases that people who want this product will use to find it in Google or Yahoo search. If you can write pretty well, you could very easily start making money in affiliate marketing with a website through article marketing. Article marketing makes you publish and won't cost you any money at all. All affiliate programs are free to join, and so are article directories. The ones you want to start publishing in are the top 5 ranking article directories. You can branch out into lower ranking publishing directories as you grow your article marketing empire. This is probably the most lucrative form of affiliate marketing without websites. The most successful gurus in this industry will always tell you that when you are really assisting your visitors, these campaigns will bring you the most money. If you are new to affiliate marketing, then this free online business training will help you generate up to $5,000 per day if you apply the strategies in the free course. Grab your seat by clicking on the link in the description under this video.